That's not even magnetic. Came up with the bike. What the heck is that? Please let me know, YouTube. I really want to know what this is. If you know, please leave a comment. Welcome back to another magnet fishing video. Today I'm going to pick up John and we are going to a new location where we never magnet fished before. This is actually pretty close to home and we are quite skeptical to if we're gonna find something or not. We have checked that bridge out before but never magnet fished. And yeah, hopefully we'll get something. The bridge is quite high. It feels like a hard place to magnet fish, but we're gonna try and hopefully we will find something. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and you get notified when I upload the next time. And please, if you like these videos, please share it with your friends, leave a comment. It would mean the world to me and it would help me out tremendously. But now it's time for magnet fishing, so let's go! See if we can get anything from this bridge. First time fishing here. And yeah, I think I got something, or I see something in the water. I think it's a bike. Oh damn. Okay, yeah, it's something down here at least. There is something down here and I can see the bike now. Damn, this is gonna be hard to get up. Let's try and throw the magnet. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, got it. Do you see that, YouTube? You see the bike? I think I might have to rearrange here and go and pull this into the edge of the bridge. Oh, it's such a weird place to stand. Yeah. Now, and I'm sorry about the noise. It's quite a heavily trafficated road here. I think I hooked onto the tire now, hopefully. Yeah, I got it. Oh wait, do I? No. What? Oh my god, I'm hooked to the chain. Oh, the current. I dropped it. There's a pretty strong current here. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh my god. Why am I pulling a bike up the bridge? It's gonna be hard to get this. It's gonna be really hard to get this. There we go. Got a bike. Just swing it out a bit. There we go. There we go. Another bike. This looks somewhat new. Yeah. That is a marvel. Rocky Mountain. Oh, it's slimy. It is slimy. I bet this is usable. This is indeed usable. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna try the hook again. I think I see something. I think I might see another bike. Bad thing about this is that I'm so short. I barely reach over this railing. I'm standing on my toes actually. Yeah, it's another bike here. It is a freaking bike. Oh, I think I got the tire again. Oh, I got the entire saddle. Jon! Yeah, it's another bike. Oh my lord.
Oh, a jig.
Oh, oh, a jig. I need a jig. Need it for fishing. So we're getting John's hook as well because the seat is stuck under the bridge. We actually didn't think we were gonna find something here, but damn. Second bike and we've been here for 10 minutes. Oh, det är till fiskedrag här. There's two lures. There is two lures, and what? There's the lock as well. There's a lock. Okay, we got a fishing lure. Pretty nice one actually. And we got the bike. And there was another fishing lure here. But YouTube, help me. What the frick is this? What the hell is that? That's not even magnetic. Came up with the bike. What the heck is that? Please let me know, YouTube. I really want to know what this is. If you know, please leave a comment. John's got something. Oh, it's under the bridge. We can't see it.
Oh no, it's bike.
Oh, it's an old bike. That is a really old bike. That doesn't even have any tires left. Damn. Oh, it's a fishing line. There's a fishing line attached. Hang on, I'm gonna pull that one. Wait, I can go lower it a bit. There we go. Hang on. There we go. Look at that one.
Fucking cut it.
Damn, that has a few years. So that is about a minute old. Noise and a lot of fishing line. Damn, where's the hooks? Here! Oh, it's a spinner! Look at that! There's another fishing lure. I like these ones. Have one in my fishing bag. What the frick is that? This is solid. What the heck? I don't know what that is. That was really weird. Okay, we're below the bridge now. Hopefully we can find something here. Oh my god, YouTube. Oh my god, I'm below the bridge and I'm looking here. There's a freaking bike just lying here. Oh, we're gonna get that one. Come on, little bike. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's our fourth bike for today. Our fourth bike. Ugh, that's a crescent. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. I'm gonna put it right here. There was a bike lying right here. Oh my god, this is too easy. This is too easy. And this is a spot we never fished before because we didn't think there was gonna be anything here. We thought this bridge was, I don't know, didn't feel like there was gonna be stuff here. But we proved ourselves wrong. I'm pulling something. I am pulling something. What is this? That is a piece of asphalt and rebar. Yeah, maybe. That is... Oh my god, I hooked a clam. I hooked a freaking clam. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. I hooked a clam. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, but you were dead a long time ago though. There's nothing inside. But damn, the hook went through it. This thing, what is this? This is rebar. And rock or concrete or asphalt. I don't know what that is. Looks like a really big iron. Really big iron. What is this, YouTube? Let me know in the comments. Yeah. Oh my god, I got another bike. Got another bike. How many is it today? 5? 5 bikes. Huh? Oh yeah, I love bikes. I like turtles, but I like bikes. Oh my god. Right down onto the nasty bike behind me. Oh, there we go. There we go. The bike is coming. Got a bike. And there's waves. So this is the 6th bike or 5th. Can't remember now. Oh my god. YouTube, how many bikes did we find? I lost count. This has been here a while though. Oh. Ah, it's been there a while. A minute or two. Exciting. Oh, there's horses here. Look at the horses. Look at the horses. So my GoPro decided that it should run out of battery. And yeah, we thought we'd wrap it up as well. We did find 5 bikes. I think 4 or 5 fishing lures, a lot of fishing line, and some small nails and other metallic stuff. But it was a good day. We did not think that we would find this many things at this bridge. We did not have any hopes of finding anything at this bridge actually. But yeah, it only shows that you can't be sure what to find and where to find it. That's what makes magnet fishing so much fun. You never know what you're gonna get, like a box of chocolate. Thank you so much for watching, and please, 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 if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you know what we found. Was that some kind of voodoo thing? I don't know. I don't know at all. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you get notified when I upload the next time. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next magnet fishing video. Bye!